Maternal health remains a staggering challenge, particularly in the developing world. Globally, it is said that a woman dies from complications in childbirth every minute. Here's a story highlighting MTN Ghana's commitment to helping reduce maternal mortality in Ghana.
From Blizzard Baby Millennium General Hospital. Yet to run an eye or bed no so. Intimate baby, and I'm so better for Minda. Made me two bed no so, Nami Maternal Kundanimu. And mammy been a back pain, any head pain now.
Babies are a joy to have, but more often, childbirth is a source of frustration for many women across the globe. According to the 2015 Ghana Millennium Development Goals report, Ghana loses 144 mothers to every 100,000 live births at its health facilities, short of the global target of 54 per 100,000 live births. More collective efforts are required to meet the new Sustainable Development Goals target of reducing the global maternal mortality ratio to less than 70 per 100,000 live births by 2030.
Tema General Hospital is a district hospital and the biggest referral hospital in Tema Metropolis. And because it is the only referral hospital, we are overwhelmed with patients.
Honestly, the labor ward doesn't see an abrupt end of care. It's continuous. So in the morning you come and the ward is already full. The beds are not enough. In fact, we do an average of 25 to 30 deliveries in a day.
I came here to take the directorship appointment about 3 years ago. Before that, I was told that the women who had delivered were sleeping 2, 3, 4 on the bed.
MTN Ghana Foundation team heard an appeal in the media regarding the state in which the maternity block was.
This is a 40-bed maternity ward being put up by MTN Ghana Foundation for Tema General Hospital. The 40-bed comprises of 20-bed first stage or labor ward. The other part is a 20-bed lying-in ward. That means after delivery. We also have consulting room, a patient assessment room, nurses and doctors changing and restrooms. We have a visitors lounge, a kitchenette for the staff. And then we have 2 delivery wards and a theater.
This morning we are here to commission this beautiful, great edifice that you see here.
I'm happy because this important health facility is a true national asset. I also just learned that this is about the 52nd health facility which has been undertaken by the MTN Foundation. And I say MTN, there you go. In the digital and information-based society we find ourselves, I'm confident that the telecom giant MTN will enhance its offering in e-health solutions.
On behalf of all in the department, I wish to reassure you and to state our promise. We will provide the best possible care to our patients using this facility that has been provided for us.
We are excited, all of us, all the staffs. And then as a ward in charge, I'm so happy.
We'll continue
to be committed to health, committed to education, committed to economic empowerment. And I can assure you that you'll continue to see such types of projects coming from the MTN Foundation going forward.
MTN Ghana Foundation, together for good.